Hey, good morning, it's Anne Pyreneo and today I'm in Prada. This video is about my top 5 restaurants. So I could tell you all about the Michelin star restaurants. There's one in Collioure, there's one in Perpignan, there's one in Trier, and they're all very good obviously. But you can look that up in Google. No, I'm here to show you my top 5 special restaurants because food could be special, price could be special, people could be special. Well, it's my personal top 5. So first let me finish my croissant and my coffee and then let's start. Okay, number 1, Allegria in Prada. Now why Allegria? The owners are very, very friendly people, so is the staff, and every day there's a special dish to take. Today is the filet de limande, €13.50, you see. Homemade, fresh made, every day. And as you can see, there's a lovely terrace outside. Today there's a market, it's the Tuesday market, so there are a lot of people. And also inside, as you can see, you find it too hot, or maybe it's raining. See how nice it is? Okay, so number 1, Allegria. There's the owner. Hi! Allegria and Prada. Okay, let's go to number 2. Okay, so we're at number 2, still in Prada. Today, like I said, it's the Tuesday market. And every Tuesday you should go to Lou because she prepares her special dishes, couscous and tagine. Now let's go inside, say hello to Lou, and I show you the tagine, what it's all about. And I should mention that it's all for a very small price. Okay, so let's go inside. I hope she's preparing her tagine already. So as you can see, it's always very crowded at Lou's because she's got not only a special cafe, but also her homemade tea. Okay, is Lou in? No, she's not here. Elle est là, Lou? So this is how the tagine looks like. Okay, all for a very small price. Excellent, excellent tagine. Thank you, Lou. See you later. Bye. Bye. Restaurant number 3. Right on top of Eus, there is Autant Libre. Very fine restaurant with a lovely terrace, as you can see. Lovely food, friendly people, friendly owner. You can have your dinner for a fair price and admire the view at the same time. There she is, the Canigou. And over there, there's Prada. So this is Autant Libre in Eus. My restaurant number 3. Let's have a look inside. Do make reservations because many people come here enjoying their dinner. So this is the inside. Bonjour. The owner, Jean-Claude, tu dis bonjour?
Salut, ça va?
Ça va et toi?
Oui, ça va.
Voilà, so that's Jean-Claude, the owner, very nice owner of this restaurant. And as you can see, there's a big terrace right on top of Eus. Lots of shade, so don't worry. I know it can get quite hot during the summer, but that's okay. As you can see, there's a big terrace and Jean-Claude has created enough space, enough shade for everyone. Okay, so that was Autant Libre number 3, and for number 4 we're going to stay in Eus. Let's see Alexia. Number 4, right next to Autant Libre there's des goûts et des couleurs. Need to go downstairs a little. Let's see if we can find Alexia. She's the owner. She's from Belgium, by the way. And as you can see, she's got this lovely restaurant, lovely terrace, and also, of course, a splendid view sur le Canigou. Friendly people, good food, homemade, fresh dishes. And there she is. There's Alexia. Can you say hi, Alexia, please? Owner of the restaurant, can you say hi to my viewers? Thank you. Voilà, so this is Des goûts et des couleurs, also known as Le Clan. Restaurant number 5. To show you my last restaurant, I'm in Tourigna. Why Tourigna? The last restaurant I want to show you is a bit more expensive than the other ones, but then you get delicious meals with fresh ingredients. They use local products, and as you can see, the environment, the surroundings are very beautiful. It's a bit cloudy today, so unfortunately I can't show you the mountains very well. Over there, you see. But this is the restaurant in Tourigna, El Taler. The owners are very friendly, the staff is very friendly, so it's a little bit more expensive than the other ones I showed you, but I can assure you, you will not regret it. I'm filming today because there are not a lot of guests yet. That's what I'm telling them, yeah. Yes, I'm showing them. This is the top 5, so Tourigna, El Taler. Okay, so say hi. This is for YouTube. Okay, voila. So if it's raining, you can go inside, but obviously that's not what you want to. Voila, so this is El Taler with the beautiful owner, beautiful staff, beautiful food. Okay, that's it then. My personal top 5 restaurants in the Gonflant. And if you want to subscribe, please do. If you want to leave a comment, just do it below. And if you have any questions, just ask. Also watch me on Facebook. There are many photos, videos about this magnificent surroundings. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.